Okay, wait. Say it again. Say the sentence you just said.
Which one?
The trip was good, the food was good, and the hotel was good.
It's true. Everything was good.
David, you went to Portugal for 2 weeks. You saw the ocean, you ate seafood every night, you watched the sunset from a castle, and all of it was just good?
Yeah, when you say it like that, it sounds a little sad.
It sounds like you're describing a sandwich. Hey everyone, welcome back to Fluentto, everyday English for real life. I'm Anna.
And I'm David, and apparently my vacation stories need some serious help.
They really do. But honestly, this happens to almost every English learner. You learn the word good on day 1, it works for everything, and then you just never upgrade it. 10 years later, you're still saying good about your wedding day.
Guilty.
So today, we're fixing that. By the end of this episode, you're going to have 8 brand new words and phrases that native speakers actually use. And you're going to know exactly when to use each one, because we're going to walk through them together using our OSE method.
Observe, speak, extend. If you're new here, that's how we teach every single word on this channel. We show you the word in a real moment, we practice saying it out loud, and then we stretch it into new situations so it actually sticks in your memory.
And don't worry about writing everything down. We've put all 8 words plus 3 bonus expressions into a free phrase guide. It's linked right below this video. Totally free, so just relax and enjoy the conversation.
All right, let's fix my vacation stories. Where do we start?
Let's start with the easiest upgrade first. Observe this. Imagine your friend just tried a new restaurant and you ask how it was.
It was good.
See, that tells me nothing. Was it okay good, great good? I don't know how excited to be.
Fair.
So here's your first word, amazing. It means something surprised you in a really good way. It went beyond what you expected.
Let's practice saying it. Amazing. The stress is on the second part, may.
Amazing.
Amazing. Okay, that already feels better than good.
Now let's extend it. You can use amazing for food. This soup is amazing. You can use it for people. My new coworker is amazing. She helped me the whole first week. And you can even use it for small everyday things.
Like what?
Like when your phone battery is somehow still at 20% after a whole day of scrolling.
Okay, that is amazing.
Exactly. So your turn. Think of one amazing thing that happened to you this week. Say it out loud right now, even if no one's listening.
All right, next one. Let's observe a different situation. Imagine you go to a fancy restaurant for your anniversary. The service was incredible, the food was perfectly cooked, everything felt elegant.
And you tell your friend, the restaurant was good.
Okay, I see what you're doing.
Amazing would work here too, but there's a word that sounds a little more polished, a little more elegant. It's the word superb.
Superb. Stress on the second part again. Superb.
Superb. And this word is perfect for situations where quality really matters. Restaurants, hotels, performances, even someone's skill at their job.
So I could say, the chef's presentation was superb.
Exactly. Or imagine you're at a friend's piano recital and she plays a difficult piece perfectly. You'd say,
Your performance was superb.
see? It instantly sounds like you actually understand what you're praising, not just repeating the only word you know.
I like that. It feels a little more grown up than amazing.
It really does. Save superb for those moments when something is done with real skill or care. Okay, David, tell me about that sunset from the castle in Portugal. The real story this time.
Oh man, okay, so we climbed up right before sunset, and the sky turned this deep orange and pink, and you could see the whole coastline stretched out below us. And for a second, nobody said anything. We just stood there.
See, that is not a good story. That's a breathtaking story.
Breathtaking. Break it down for me.
Think about the word itself, breath and taking. It means something is so beautiful, it actually takes your breath away for a second. You forget to breathe because you're so amazed.
That's such a strong image.
It is, and that's why we only use it for really visual, powerful things. Mountains, sunsets, the ocean, sometimes even a piece of art or a wedding dress.
So I wouldn't say my sandwich was breathtaking.
No, please don't. Save it for the moments that actually stop you in your tracks. Try this. Picture the most beautiful view you've ever seen in real life. Got it in your mind?
Got it.
Now see the sentence, the view was absolutely breathtaking.
The view was absolutely breathtaking.
See how different that feels from the view was good?
World of difference.
Let's put these three words together in a real conversation. Here's the scene. David and I are walking through a farmer's market on a Saturday morning.
Ready?
David, you have got to try this peach. I got it from the stand by the entrance.
Oh, wow. Anna, this is amazing. Where did you even find this?
Right? The guy who runs that stand, his produce is always superb. Everything he grows tastes like it was picked yesterday.
I believe it. Hey, come look at this. The flower stand over there. Look at all those sunflowers against the blue sky.
Okay, that's honestly breathtaking. I need a picture.
Right? I love mornings like this. Simple market, good company.
Good company, really, David? After everything we just practiced?
Okay, old habits. Okay, amazing company.
Much better.
All right, let's talk about a different kind of praise. Praising quality and reliability. Like, imagine you go to a mechanic and they fix your car perfectly, explain everything clearly, and don't overcharge you.
That's when you use the phrase top notch.
Top notch. Interesting phrase. Where does that even come from?
A notch is like a small mark or a level on a scale. So top notch literally means it's at the very top level, the best quality possible.
So I could say, that mechanic did a top-notch job.
Exactly. Or imagine you order a coffee at a new cafe and the barista is skilled, friendly, and fast.
The service here is top-notch.
Perfect. It works really well for anything related to service, skill, or quality. Mechanics, doctors, customer service, even a well-made product.
It sounds like something you'd say about a business, not really about a sunset.
Exactly right. You're getting good at telling these words apart.
Top-notch, if I do say so myself.
There you go. Okay, last vocabulary word for today, and this one's a little more casual and dramatic. Observe this. Imagine your friend shows you a magic trick, or you watch a movie with a plot twist you never saw coming.
That's a good movie?
No, that's a mind-blowing movie.
Mind-blowing. I love how visual English can be.
Right? It literally means something is so surprising or impressive that it feels like your mind can't handle it. Your brain is blown.
So it's for shocking, surprising things, not just beautiful things.
Exactly. You'd use breathtaking for a sunset, but mind-blowing for a plot twist, a magic trick, or a scientific fact that surprises you.
Give me an example with a fact.
Okay, did you know an octopus has 3 hearts?
Wait, really?
Yes.
Okay, that's actually mind-blowing.
See, you just used it perfectly without even trying.
Now, Anna, before we do our final role play, I know we always sneak in a few bonus expressions. What have you got for us today?
3 quick ones. These are less like vocabulary words and more like little phrases you can drop into any conversation.
Let's hear them.
First one, spot on. This means something is exactly correct or exactly right.
Give me a moment for it.
Imagine you guess how long a movie will take, and you're exactly right, down to the minute. Your friend says,
Wow, your guess was spot on.
perfect. Second phrase, a cut above. This means something is a little better than everything else around it.
Like comparing it to the competition.
Exactly. If you try 2 coffee shops on the same street and one is clearly better.
That place is a cut above the rest.
Exactly right. And the last one, this one's more modern and casual, hits different.
Oh, I hear my nephew say this all the time.
It's popular with younger speakers, and it means something feels especially good in a specific moment or situation, even if it's normally just okay.
Give me an example.
Coffee on a rainy morning.
Oh, coffee just hits different when it's raining outside.
Now you're speaking like a native. All right, final role play of the episode. This time, the scene is a family dinner. David's sister just got a big promotion at work, and the family is celebrating.
Let's do it.
Okay, so I got the promotion. I'm officially a senior manager now.
Wait, that's incredible. Tell everyone how it happened.
Honestly, I worked on this huge project for 6 months, and my presentation to the board went really well.
I bet it was top-notch. You always prepare more than anyone I know.
Thank you. And the funniest part, my boss said my timing on the whole project was spot on. Every deadline, every detail.
That doesn't surprise me at all. Hey, remember that view from the rooftop where we celebrated Mom's birthday last year?
Oh my gosh, yes, the sunset that night was breathtaking.
We should go back there tonight. Celebrating a promotion with a view like that? That would be mind-blowing.
Let's do it. This has honestly been an amazing week.
A cut above every other week this year, that's for sure.
See, David? Not one single good in that whole conversation.
I'm a changed man.
Let's do a lightning-fast recap before we go. We learned 5 upgraded words: amazing, superb, breathtaking, top-notch, and mind-blowing.
And 3 bonus phrases: spot on, a cut above, and hits different.
Remember, amazing and superb both work for quality, but superb feels a little more elegant. Breathtaking is for beautiful visual moments. Top-notch is for service and skill, and mind-blowing is for surprising, shocking moments.
And if you forget any of that, which is totally normal, don't stress about it.
It's all sitting in your free phrase guide. Link is right below this video. Print it out, keep it on your phone, whatever works for you.
So here's your homework, if you want to call it that. In the comments below, tell us what's one amazing, breathtaking, or mind-blowing thing that happened to you this month.
We read every single comment, and honestly, they make our day. Some of you have the best stories.
If this episode helped you even a little bit, hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? We post a brand new episode every single day.
Tomorrow, we're tackling a topic so many of you have asked for: how to disagree with someone politely in English without sounding rude or too shy.
That one's going to be so useful. You don't want to miss it.
Until then, keep practicing, keep speaking, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!